Yeah, this is a place called Hurricane Dockside.
Hello, DJ.
I'm doing a video. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah, so this is Hurricane Dockside. It's just a local bar, and you can ride your your boat right up to it.
And then I came up.
A lot of people come here, and there's live entertainment and stuff. And here's our live entertainer. And there's Lenore. There's Paul. Where? Where? Oh, that's a poodle. So this is the outside bar. And when you come out here, these are all the boats. So the boat we're on is right there. So we just tied up, came in here for a little snack. And this is Hurricane Dockside. And it's dog friendly, as you can see. So this is still Hurricane Dockside. As you can see, there's some weather moving in. And this is the exterior. So I'm gonna walk out to our boat. So when you go places in Central Florida, you don't just drive up there, you boat up there. So that's a nice boat. Nice boat. That boat has a 250 horsepower engine, so that's a fast boat with a flag on the console. Another boat. And we're up here. We're in a pontoon boat today because they're just nice to kind of cruise around on. So we have the bimini for shade, the fishing rods, and here's another boat tied up at the end. And these people are coming in. So they're going in. Here comes Paul and some of the others, namely Lisa, Lenore, and Liz. And this engine that we're using today is 140 horsepower, so it uses a lot of fuel. So now we're on Lake Eustis. Paul's taking the steering wheel. There's Lenore. There's Liz.
Where's the music, DJ? We need some music, man.
All right, I'll turn it on. We're not going too fast. So here's the back view. That's a 140 horsepower engine. And we're on Lake Eustis still. Now we're in the Dora Canal, where there's lots of traffic. Those are water trees. Very scenic. Now we're on Lake Dora. There's the little Craig cats, little go-karts for the water. Another pontoon boat. I like those clouds. And we tied up our pontoon right here. Here's a little egret. And there he goes. Oh, there goes another friend. Now we're in Tavares, the seaplane capital of the world. And this is a place called Jones Brothers and Company, where you can rent a seaplane and go up in the air. Let's see what they have inside. Now we're in a bar called the Argonaut, which has lots of portals. It's kind of like a deep sea diver theme. There's Lisa, Lenore, and up there we have the nice submariner, whatever that's called. And I'll show you what the outside looks like. So there's the Argonaut smack dab here in Leesburg. And so we'll go back inside into the Argonaut. Now Liz is gonna drive the boat, taking over for me since my neck hurts.
We'll do a picture with the hair down. Woo!
Paul's in the background.
How you doing, Bob?
There's Lenore.
Lisa's like, yeah, Bob.
Now Lisa's taking the wheel. Very pretty day.